I'm ABC 17 Storm Track Chief Meteorologist Jessica Hafner with a Weather Alert Day update on our winter storm that's going to be bringing snowfall to mid-Missouri tonight. It has already dropped some significant amounts from 2 to more than 6 inches across southern Missouri and then back across much of Arkansas into Oklahoma earlier today. Some high snowfall rates happening right now across central and northern Arkansas. Already starting to see a little accumulation across southern Missouri as well, up to about 1 inch to almost 2 inches near the Springfield area, creeping ever so closely to our viewing area. Starting to get a little bit of snow covering the roads in southern Phelps and Pulaski counties. Still looking like rain for much of mid-Missouri. At this point, here's a look at the radar. You'll see some of that lighter blue trying to mix in with some of that rain for areas near the Lake of the Ozarks. Now, likely within the next hours, and we'll see that changeover near Camdenton and Osage Beach. Elsewhere, we still have some cold rain. We'll take a look at some of our cameras around the area. We've dropped down to about 38 in Sedalia, and you'll notice that rain is coming down pretty decently there. It's a cold rain in Jefferson City, also starting to see slightly cooler temperatures. We're seeing some rain there. The Lake of the Ozarks, as mentioned, still seeing rain at this point, but not for long as temperatures have dropped to about 32 degrees. Here's what to expect overnight into tomorrow morning. Road conditions will start to deteriorate after midnight as snow starts to cover the roads, likely slick in spots too before road crews can get out there and start plowing some of that. I am expecting things to still be somewhat patchy covered at least through mid to late morning, starting to become more just wet getting into the afternoon as temperatures start to warm up just above freezing. That should help out with the road conditions, at least going into the evening. Probably a couple slick spots though as temperatures dip below freezing into late tomorrow night. Here's what our latest future track looks like. This is what the forecast is going to be at 10 o'clock. So the next 2 hours, seeing snowfall from about Osage Beach to Owensville. Light rain elsewhere, but that spreads to the north and we are left with rain changing over to snow for the entire area by midnight. Snow showers will continue through much of Wednesday morning. Here's 6 a.m. Starting to see the back edge of these snow showers working their way out by late morning. Here's 10 o'clock. Light snow will continue to push out. We are left with a couple of snow flurries through the afternoon under cloudy skies and temperatures staying just above freezing. Here's how much snow to expect. This has not changed since earlier this afternoon, around 2 to 4 inches from Sedalia to Fulton to Jefferson City. A little bit farther south near the Lake of the Ozarks, anywhere from around 4 to 7, probably somewhere in the middle of that range for the lake with slightly higher amounts along I-44 and up towards Brunswick, Moberly, and Paris. 1 to 3 inches is expected by the afternoon. Here's what to expect tomorrow morning. If you do have to head out, make sure you're giving yourself plenty of extra time. Your car has plenty of gas and you have that emergency kit in your car just in case. Temperatures should be getting back above the freezing mark into the afternoon. Those snow showers will start tapering off by noon, starting to see the back edge of that snow working out. But the worst travel conditions are going to be across southern and southeast Missouri, including St. Louis. That's where we're going to see most of that snowfall, but just about the entire area is going to be impacted by this. So after midnight, really start to see that snowfall picking up. Tomorrow morning is going to be the worst time to be out on the roads. Starting to see a little bit of improvement as road crews get out there and start treating main highways and interstates tomorrow evening into Thursday morning. Possibly a couple of locally slick spots, but things should really improve by much of Thursday. Make sure you have our ABC 17 Storm Track weather app. You can get the latest forecast as we continue to update that on our website. Also keep an eye on the radar and get the latest on closings and delays. We will have those scrolling on our website as well. And tonight, coming up at 9 on Fox 22, we'll have a live look at the road conditions around mid-Missouri, and I'll give you a forecast update on what we can expect heading into the morning.